What's going on, Ski Rider Nation? Are y'all ready for the 9/11 Memorial Ride? It is going to be crazy. This is the first annual 9/11 Memorial Ride with Florida Ski Riders and Agitando Jet Ski, and you guys are coming with us through this lens right here. Let's get the morning started. Let's take the drone up in the air and show you guys the madness that's happening right now at Fort DeSoto Boat Ramp. All right, that's what it looked like from the air. Now, guys, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Ski Rider Nation, we can't do it without you guys. You guys are what make it possible. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, drop some comments down below of where you want to see us ride at next, but let's get on the water and get this ride started. 9/11 Memorial Ride underway.
I'm thinking this is going to be a good turnout due to the fact that everybody's coming because United States #1. That's it. That's
right.
What it's about.
Let's go see who's over here. I think I've seen Bobby Cardone. Oh, Mr. Cardeezy.
Oh, someone got gas.
Hey, we gotta. Let's zoom in on that real quick.
I want to see these things.
Guys, incredible turnout. Incredible. They're still pulling in.
You know what time it is?
It's go time!
Go time, baby!
Guys, what's up? We ready to ride?
You didn't recognize me, huh?
I didn't.
Out of costume.
Woo! How you liking that Sea-Doo?
I like it.
Guys, beautiful out here. We got a couple hundred. It's crazy. Agitando, jet ski, Willie. Going on.
Hey, what's up, big dog?
Going on.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're on the water. 9/11 Memorial Ride, 20-year anniversary. We've got about I don't even want to guess. How many skis do you think we got out here?
Couple hundred.
Dude, there has got to be at least 300 skis out here. How many skis do you think we got out here?
Go 400.
You guys be careful up here, get shallow. Woo!
First time, baby.
Nah, go time.
Yes, sir.
Be careful up here, get shallow. Oh my God, they're still coming. Skis forever. Hey! This is what it's all about, guys. Look at that. We're gonna take the back, make sure everybody, nobody's left behind. So we got some skis in the back, we got some skis in the front. We got some boats out there leading. 9/11 Memorial Ride. Guys, look at this. Absolutely amazing. We are at Passage Key, 9/11 Memorial Ride. Florida Ski Riders, Agitando, we came together. We brought it to a beautiful area that can accommodate this many riders, and you guys get to always join us through this lens right here. But we're heading off now. We're gonna head off to Egmont Key and go explore some of the ruins. But I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is what it's all about, unity in the community. Black, white, Puerto Rican, Mexican, Dominican, Monkey Boy, Andy Hodgen in the building.
Hey, what a day!
How many skis do you think we got out here, roughly? If you had to guesstimate.
At least 300.
At least 3?
Yeah.
Nobody counted today, but man, it is crazy. There's got to be at least 300 skis out here. Incredible turnout and just good vibes. Good vibes. I think the Coast Guard's gonna fly over right now. Look, here comes the Coast Guard. 9/11 Memorial Ride, yes. Woo! Wow. That is incredible. That honestly just gave me goosebumps to see that plane fly by like that. 9/11. Guys, let's get back out on the water, head over to Egmont Key and explore some of the ruins and enjoy this beautiful group of people that are out here with us today. Let's go. Don't do it! Why? Yes, sir. Good to have you guys out here today. What's going on, ski riders? So we are at Egmont Key and everybody's here just hanging out, having a good time. It's been a beautiful ride. A little bit of overcast, but that's okay. The weather's nice, the water is perfect, and so far, what do you think?
It's been amazing.
9/11 Memorial Ride, 20-year anniversary, and you know, we got about 300 skis out here. All kinds of culture, black, white, Spanish, Puerto Rican, Dominican, Cuban, you name it, they're out here, and we are all just vibing, having a good time, guys. And you get to join us always through this lens right here. And we're gonna wrap up here. Let's take the drone up in the air and show you guys Egmont Key from the air. Yes, sir. We got skis, we got skis. Hey! Skis for days. Look at this, guys. We're at Egmont Key and there's a live masseuse out here. Massage therapy.